Okay, just to clarify real quick, because it's pretty cool on how it's not a cage. This is it from the outside, and they have their cute little hammock on top right here. And then this is the door they can go in and out of whenever they want, which goes here to which is where their litter box is, which has another door, which again, free to go in and out whenever they want, which goes inside. And then here's from the inside of our house, and then they go outside. So keeps them safe from coyotes and whatnot.